Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered why space is so dark? On Earth, we're used to seeing light during the day and darkness at night. But in space, it's a whole different story. One reason space appears dark is because the universe is constantly expanding. Stars are born and die, and galaxies are constantly moving away from each other. Another reason is the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is like a faint glow left over from the Big Bang. Black holes also play a role in making space dark. Their gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Interstellar dust and gas can absorb and scatter light, contributing to the darkness of space. Even though space is dark, it's not empty. There are countless wonders out there waiting to be discovered. From colorful nebulae to distant galaxies, space is full of beauty and mystery. So, the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember that the darkness of space is just a canvas for the brilliance of the cosmos. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about the wonders of our universe.